do these outbuildings now. Oh, look at the chain. Is that for the rain gutter like yours? That is, huh? Oh, remember, this was a dairy farm. Look, that was a hummingbird feeder. Oh, I wonder if that door opens right there. Oh, they left their pots for their plants. Oh, they got a bunch of blackberries here, you guys. Why? So good. Really good. Oh, it's open. Hello? Can I turn my light on? Wow. Oh my God, this is a workshop. It's full. Oh my God. Look at all this stuff. Bringing tools and everything in here. Look at that. There's an electric wheelchair in here. Lot of stuff in here. Here. Big fan. Another big fan. Another big fan. There. Sorry about the wiggle. I'm trying to figure out how to hold this. Look at these parts. Tractor parts, drills, shit, all kinds of stuff. Look at that. Books, a bunch of books over there. It's like they were packing, but they left. Where they took everything. Wow. What's that? The tent. Trying to get everything in view. What is that? Big old fucking, excuse my language, big old ice. Right there. Oh, they got pictures. Let's get over here. Oh, they had goats too. It's like they had prize goats. Let me see, I can trade hands. Oh, sorry about the wiggle, because I'm trying to hold that light. Look at that. Those are goats. So they had goats too. That's pretty creepy. Paint. Painting stuff. Lots of big filters. Just a basket. Gorilla PVC pipe. Stick glue. Rain and shine, medium blue PVC cement. Ah. Oh, something over there. Keyboard. Old monitor. Wow. Hello? Yeah, there's tons of shit in here. This thing is packed full of stuff. Even has a fancy electric wheelchair. It's got tools, all the tons of tools and shit in here. Huh? There's tons of shit in here.
There's stuff over there, lime.
Huh?
There's lime.
Oh. And here, look at this electric wheelchair, fancy one.
And there's also an office with a computer.
There's a computer in here too, on the ground.
Yeah. Oh man, that's a lot bigger than the other one.
I know, huh? That's why I was in there so long. There's friggin' electrical tools and stuff in there. We don't take anything, so. Does it? What? Did it turn on? What?
Yeah.
I could have got electrocuted on that wire fence. Except I know it was grounded out because of that. Oh, wow. Now you can really see all the junk. And look, they raised goats. That could be a goat dead over there.
Yeah.
They had show goats.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering, if it was maybe goat. How long have you been here?
We've been here a while because it's 9 minutes on here. We've been here over 30 minutes.
So, you want to go to another stuff in the wind?
I've been here 9 minutes since we've been doing this. I'm going to go a little bit longer. And then I'll start another one. I'll do these ones that don't have a lot in them. Oh, look, it's like a urinal. But it's a feeder. Look at that. Look at that fencing they made. And look at this. Calf feeder, huh? Oh, that's how they put their heads in to eat. That's why that's made like that. Look, and I bet that was a milk thing. It's probably well water. If they got electricity, it probably is. Wow. Look at this.
It's got so much color on it.
Oh, wow. This is so cool. This was an awesome find, you guys. What if we could get in that one over there, too? Okay. Coming in here. Oh, look. What's this? Carpet cleaner? Rug doctor. And look at all the plastic samples things. I wonder what this is. Is that like an air pump thing or something? And what's this? A pressure washer. That's a pressure washer. What do you mean? I didn't.
Maybe it's. But look at all that line. Look at all this whole palette. It's all line.
For when their animals die, probably.
Yeah.
Or they were burying people. Look at all those samples in that stove.
Might have been.
Look at all that lime.
I'm
What?
thinking that they were breeding because there's stuff in that office about breeding.
Really? Solar Pack 12. Oh, what? These must have been for the goats. These little houses when they have babies or something. I don't know. But here, we'll get a full shot. Look at that's so much money just wasted. And you know what? Having that wheelchair makes me think that maybe, look at those are all harnesses or something, aren't they?
Something. Strap down. Look at the line.
Look at that. I guess I don't need this on.
Look at how they were set up over here.
Like they were like they put the babies in there with the mothers to get them so they know each other.
The feeder out there is a cat.
I know, but they had pictures of goats.
Maybe they did both.
They might have did goat cheese. Do they have goat cheese, Tillamook? That's what I'm thinking. 'Cause I don't see no cow pies.
There's a lot of shit over here though. These stalls are pretty big.
They weren't cleaning very good, were they?
No, that's why I was saying there's a lot of poop.
What's this? Oh, this is office? Let me turn my light on.
Watch out for the needles.
What needles?
There's needles.
Oh, yeah. For the animals.
Yeah, and then there's they're on the floor too, so be careful.
Look at that. They have a blower, they have a flat screen, old computer, microwave.
I don't think this has been abandoned for too long.
I think it's been abandoned quite a while. I really do, Dabble. You know why?
Oh, but
Because there's so many cobwebs and stuff in that other one.
But look at that. There it says lactating, and then non-lactating, and then it says something over here about offspring, and it has cows.
What year is it?
I don't know.
What's this? Flex Silver.
2016 annual issue.
What is it?
2016.
Oh, so that's only a couple years.
Yeah, so it hasn't been that
What's
long.
that down there? That black thing.
Animal care.
Wonder what that black thing is.
I'm not going to pick it up.
I will.
Just watch out, there's needles right down there.
Okay, I will. I'm gonna flip it over. Oh, it's part of a tablet thing. No, it's part of the copy machine.
Yeah. Oh, there's something up there too. What is that? What is this?
It's a modem.
What is this? says October 31st for October. Milk raise, cash, disbursements. Oh, yeah, so it's totally about...
It was a business. Definitely was a business.
Nothing's filled out, though.
Mm-mm.
It says best birth...
Look at that. Look at that fancy chair in here.
What this says...
Oh, and look at the bib thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me go and get this room. Look at the needle stuck in the wall.
Oh, creepy. I didn't see that.
Oh, what are these books? Did you look at them?
Mm-mm. Watch out for the cobweb.
I saw it. Ooh, here we go. This tells you everything. Sire, who they sired. This is important.
I knew they had to have been breeding.
Mm-hmm. It doesn't say what year.
Cows bred. Well, that's how they keep them lactating, right? Make that milk.
I guess. But shouldn't they have a year? They don't have the year, they just have the 2000. No, that's not it. Sire ID. What does it say the year? Oh, date bred 2012. This was 2012. Oh wait, this one is that 17 or 13? Oh, it's still 2012, I think. Yeah. 2013. I think that's what that is. Oh. What are these? Those are batteries, huh? Oh, this is their shearer for shearing the sheep. And this is herd health plan. There's a lot of stuff in here. Socket wrench set. It's all gone. Okay, I've been going 17 minutes. I'm going to cut this one off and start another one. Okay, let's do a shot. This place is actually quite large. Okay, I'm going to shut you off and we're going to start another one. Because I don't want to make these too long.